So as a beginner, you can actually learn how to cut each trouser. Watch this video and learn how to cut any trouser. This is just 1.5 material I have with me, so I have to fold it into two, place it on the table. So I'm arranging it. So this is me. I'm actually going to cut out the pocket 2.5 by 7. This is 7 inches. So I'm actually working with waist 32. So divide waist 32 into 4 to give you 8 by plus 1.5 inches will give you 9.5 inches. So this is me drafting it out. 9.5 inches, 9.5 inches, waist 32, 9.5 inches. So this is me drafting it out. 9.5 inches. Are you saying it? So this is 9.5 inches. 9.5 inches. 9.5 inches. So I have to go out and chalk out my zip 6.5. Are you saying it? 6.5. So from there I have to measure my flap out using the waist. What I'll measure from the waist, which is 9.5. So I have to trace it and use my ruler and give it a knot. Are you saying it? So I already mark out my waist, my pocket, and my zip. So I have to the length. So from the up there, I get the length. I'm working with length 41 plus 3 inches. That's 44. Are you saying it? So this is the length of the person I'm making the clothes for. Length 44. So you have to give it a mark with your chalk. So from the down, the bend, that's the bottom. I remove 1 inch from down. 1 inch from that, and the bend is 14 into 2, that's 7 inches. So from the bottom I have to get a knee measurement, that's the full length, trouser length divided by 2. You get the knee. From the knee I remove half an inches for me to get the shape I want. So I'm working with a nail 18, that's 18 to 2, that's 9. That's what I measured there. Are you seeing it? So how to go over to my flap, and flap is 24 plus half an inches, that's 12.5. That's what I'm working with. So this is me. I'm going with the chalking. It's very easy. So use my ruler to trace it. You can actually use your hand if you want. So well, I just want to for a beginner, so that you will not sketch a wrong sketch. So this is it. I'm done. So I have to use my ruler and sketch this one first. So drag it together. Yes. So with the other one, join the lines together. Then this is actually what I'm looking for. So you can actually use your hand to give your trouser a fitting. Okay, because if you leave it like that, it's not going to be balanced. So this is just it. So give it the shape you want. Look at how it's come out. Very nice and good. Hope you're learning something. So it's not that hard. You can actually learn how to cut trouser here with just an ease. Just watch the video and you are good to go. It's not that hard. It's not even hard. It's not that hard. So that is just it. I'm done with the chalking. So I have to cut now. So this is how I cut. So I give the pockets a notch, the 2.5 and the 7 inches a notch. So I have to trace my chalk down. Don't make a mistake. Just trace it down with carefulness, with ease. Don't panic. Just trace it down and you are done with it. So this is me cutting the trouser. It's not hard. It's not hard. You can do it. You can do it. So I'm actually done with the cutting. Are you seeing the front? How it's looking? Very, very good. So you can, so as I'm telling you, you can actually cut a niche trouser by just watching this video. Alright. So this is just it with the front. So I have to use the front and cut out the back. Are you seeing it? I'm placing it. So I have to place it well in order to give me what I want. So this is me placing it on the material to enable me cut out the back. So this is it. This is how it's going. Arrange the material. Sometimes materials can be stubborn, but you just have to use your hand and arrange it. Don't be so fast in cutting. Arrange it to give you a neat work. So this is what we have. So from that flap side, I have to give it a mark to enable me trace. So from that place, I mark 1.5 inches, then slant. Normally the back is always bigger than the front, so you just have to give it a mark. So from here, I'm measuring 2.5. Here is 3 inches. From the flap, 3 inches. Then from here to down is 2.5, 2.5. Okay, look at it, 2.5, 2.5. So look at how it's going. I have to use my hand and trace it down. Are you seeing it? So that the curve will come out. Because if I did not show you now, when I'm cutting it, I might cut wrongly. So as a beginner, you don't need to run sketch. You don't need to use an sketch. Just calm down, use your chalk and sketch it. Then follow the chalk and cut, so that there will not be any mistake. So this is how I'm cutting it, the back, after placing it. So this is me. Actually, that place I'm cutting now is a pocketing. Yeah. So look at it, the pocket cover. So I have to cut that the back. I don't know, I'm smiling. No, it's making me smile. I'm actually talking to someone though. But let's get back to what we are doing. So this is the front and the back. Look at how it's looking. 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 Hope you love it. Hope you love it. So I'm actually cutting. I've actually cutted the front and the back. So this is the back pocket I'm cutting. Look at it. Are you seeing it? You can actually use 6.5 by 3 inches. The length 6.5, then by width 3 inches is okay for the back pocket. So I need to cut out my flap, my zip flap. So that's what I'm trimming. Look how I'm cutting. Look how I'm giving it a curve. So look at it. I have to trim it in order for me to sew it well. So this is my two flap. So what I'm cutting now is what I use for my zip. So we are almost done with the cutting. It's not hard. Cutting of trouser is not that hard. If you have your measurements, your waist, your laps, your knee, and your bottom, you are good to go. So I have to measure out my waist. So this is the waist I'm cutting now. So this is actually the last thing I'm cutting. So I have to cut that the wrong side. That is not cool. So it's not, when I put it paper gum, it will be showing. So just have to trim it well. So we're almost done with the code.